कौन गाड़ी है? कौन गाड़ी? कौन गाड़ी?
ए मैं सादा पकड़
कौन गाड़ी?
इधर
कौन गाड़ी? कौन गाड़ी? चल। कौन गाड़ी? कौन गाड़ी? The crime scene that was recovered from a nearby area from where Raja Raghuvansh's body was recovered and this is where the crime scene we just saw a short while back that the police team, the SIT team, is rushing towards the crime scene with all the accused: Sonam Raghuvanshi, Raj Kushwaha, Anand Kurmi, Vishal Singh Chauhan, and Akash Rajput. The action now shifts towards the crime scene. You can see there the parking lot, the Y Sodong parking lot that you can see on the screens here. That's where the crime took place. That's where Raja Raghuvanshi was murdered. So those are the visuals. Those are the visuals on the screens of the parking lot where the accused will now be taken just a short while back.